What's going on, folks, and welcome back to Beans to Greens. This is season 2, where we are growing in our Vivosun 2x4 Pro Grow Tent Kit. If you're interested, I'll throw a link down in the description. Also, if you're buying anything Vivosun, make sure you use my promo code BEANS2GREENS at checkout and save yourself a discount. That works on both their website and Amazon. So if you remember in last episode, we ended up having y'all vote on what beans to pop this season, and by a landslide we had Grape Diamonds win. So today what we're going to be doing is mixing up some soil, popping those beans, sitting back and watching them grow. If you haven't already, make sure you smoke that like button, hit subscribe so you don't miss any new content, and also drop me a comment down below. What are you growing inside your gardens, or what are you smoking on? I always love to find out. Let's go ahead and hop on into it.
As in every new grow, I start by mixing up some seedling soil. If you want to dive into the details of my seedling soil, I'll put it in the upper right hand corner, but for this video, I'm just going to keep it at a basic overview. I start with 4 solo cups of Roots Organic as my base. I then add in 1 solo cup of worm castings, followed by 2 cups of Coats of Maine manure compost. I know what you're thinking. Why are you mixing up so much soil? Well, I'm mixing up enough for another grow that I'm going to be starting soon. That, and I always find it easier to mix more than I need. Here I'm just breaking up all the clumps, then mixing everything to incorporate the worm castings and compost into the soil. I like to place my humidity dome on a heat mat just to help with germination. The soil is very dry, so I rehydrate it by spraying it with water at a rate of 5 to 10% by volume. I make a hole to drop the seed in that's about a 1/4 inch deep. I make sure to place the seed sideways in the soil. That way, when the seed opens, the taproot will travel down due to gravity. Also, there's a better chance of the seedling shedding the seed coat naturally as it makes its way through the soil.